What's up, guys? Welcome back to RedBeard Survival and Outdoors. Today we are going to be working on the deer blind. Like I said before in the last video, got to get this cut out. Want to get at least a couple of the OSB boards put on. I'll be doing that by myself also. But what I did do is, redhead, burn easy. But I did put me a tarp up with a little gable going across. Just trying to do what I can to stay not burnt. Let's get this underway. All right, so what we're trying to do here, I did forget my lavaliers. I'll go get them here in a little bit. Just want to get this underway. So what we're doing here is I got me another board here like I did the other wall that you see behind me. That's going to be the windows. I'm going to put another board going down the center. But what I'm going to do here is get this board here, cut there, and then I have my window for the front. So that's what's going to be going on now. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to record that, but we're going to try. Watch. Also, I forgot to mention, the saw I'll be using is the Ryobi, but we're hooked up to the EcoFlow Mini. It does just fine. Boys and girls, it's hot. Alright, y'all. So I went up, got a new stand, got everything else. You know, being a content creator sucks sometimes because I could have already had this thing punched out. Alright, so as you've seen, we got the bottom done. It's in. If you're just joining us and you're like, what the hell is this guy doing? Well, we built the other three walls of the structure later. This first wall went up, but I like the design that we did with this one. It's more sturdy. I like it better. I like the way I can actually adjust to where I want the windows. So what I'm doing here is just taking the front, cutting what I already have here, and then gonna build the window that way. So hopefully that answers the question, like, what the hell is this guy doing? That's what. So we got that bottom board, or the top board now, cut in. Wish I would have brought that hammer up. Where it needs to go here. And these boards are so freaking twisted, it's crazy. So that, of course, that needs to come up. That should be good. Let's run some screws in that I just dumped out all over the freaking deck. Let's go. First. All right, y'all. Well, I'm taking a break here for a second. This heat. Got that wall done here. Blah, blah. But what I'd like to say is, if you guys are not a member to this channel, that would be fantastic if you could look at it. I know you don't get it unless you ask, and I do a lot on this channel that I don't get paid for. And becoming a member, you get early videos, we'll do live streams, we'll do everything else just for my members. So if you do that, make sure you check it out, guys. I've fallen off this ladder twice trying to do this by myself. But I got the front cut out, I got one of the panels put on the back. I did get the little floor put in there. Take you up there and have you check it out real quick. I have to take a break. I'm about dead. Right. Right. Went from 105 to rain, and all I have on top is this little tarp. All right, y'all, so we are done for the day. I got as much done as I possibly could. I do have a cool little video to show you. I was sitting here and had a doe come up on me and had a spike come up on me, so that was pretty cool. Even with the windows and our walls are nothing up besides that one. Like I said, this is just temporary right now. That was just to hold the tarp up. I'm not sure what I'm going to do for the roof yet, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit like, subscribe, leave me a comment what you all think about it. See y'all next one. Out.